billion. Nice job by Jim Cacioppo and the Juicy crew. And finally, on the other hand, Air Wellness reported disappointing earnings with revenue slightly down to $113.95 billion and a $1.40 per share loss. The company also wrote down $118 million in Florida assets, reflecting marketing challenges. Keep an eye on this one. The big takeaway, some companies are finding ways to grow despite tough conditions, while others are struggling to stabilize. To get a full recap on each company's earnings reports, make sure to subscribe to our Baked In newsletter, which is available down here in the description below. Let's now move to some business moves for the week. And first up, what a job by Glasshouse Brands, who secured a $50 million credit facility at 8.58% fixed interest, a rare win in a cash-strapped industry. This improves their balance sheet and replaces a high-interest loan. Job well done by Kyle Kazan and the crew. Next up, Canopy Growth. They launched a new $200 million at-the-market equity program, allowing it to raise funds by selling shares. This move helps reduce debt and invest in future growth. I know lots of you have lots of questions about Canopy Growth, so we will get on this. We will speak to their crew and hopefully get them on the next couple of weeks. So keep you posted on that one. And finally, Rubicon Organics acquired MediFarm Labs Hope BC facility for $4.5 million Canadian, increasing its production capacity by 4,500 kilograms annually. It was deemed as a cost-effective purchase agreement. To give you an idea, if the same facility was built today, the cost would be north of $10 million. Yeah. Nicely done, Margaret Brody and team. All in all, this gives Rubicon Organics room to expand in the premium organic cannabis market. Recapping, this move highlights how companies are securing capital and scaling strategically despite industry headwinds. So there you have it. That's a wrap for this week's TDR's biggest developments in cannabis. We covered Trump's potential cannabis pivot, North Carolina's medical marijuana momentum, Kentucky's hemp battle, inflation's impact on cannabis, major earnings, and key industry deals. There's a lot happening in cannabis right now, as we know, and we'll break it all to you if you stay connected here at the TDR Trade to Black podcast. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash on that bell for all notifications. Thanks everyone for tuning in. I'm Shad Dales, and I'll catch you next time on our latest Trade to Black podcast. Thanks everyone.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see the Father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, Cooler, he got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me if he think I'm finna hit that blunt again. Heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me stand for with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a 3rd one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different
Kidney detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness flourish, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission, to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded. That's right. We're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep those kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the